Good day, ma'am, and good day, everyone. So today I will representing the student registration form is a Java Swing application designed to collect and organize basic student information in a clear and user-friendly interface. It allows users to enter important details such as his student full name, address, contact number, and date of birth. This system uses modern GUI components like text fields and combo boxes, arranged neatly using grade bay layout for better structure and readability. This is my code. So the first line is a import statement. So ining mga import is very important di sila para mura na ang imong code. Without this, dili mura na ang imong program. So this import is allow you to use Swing for GUI components, G-frame, and G-panel level. So ang G-text fields, G-combo box, etc. for layout colors is a graphics and event. So ang event naman is for handling user actions. So declaring the class is a public class student registration form. So nga di is the class is a extend G-frame. So meaning the window itself is the class. Declaring components is a private G text field, text name and text address, text contact, private G combo box string. So sa ngadi is mag-input kita ng month, day, and year. So these are the text fields and combo boxes used in the form. So the constructor main UI setup is a public student registration form. So the constructor runs when you create an object of this class. So this is where the whole GUI is built. Those settings, amay ni ang iset niya ang title sa student registration form. Tapos iset niya ang size and set defaults. So ang G-frame is i-exit niya on a close and set niya ang location and set layout. Then ang set title is a set window title na siya. Then ang set size is a window size. Then set default close operation is a close program when window closes. Then ang set location relative is a center window. And then ang set layout is a layout with north, south, center, and etc. Header panel with nga di sa header panel with gradient is ang G-panel header hangtod sa G2 field react is mao na siya ang nag-create sa costume panel with a blue gradient background. The gradient goes from dark blue top, light blue bottom, and the header panel layout header set preferred size hantod sa flow layout and the height is 60 pixels. So items like the title area aligned to the left with spacing. Adding header title is nga sa G level title, new G level is a student registration form. So nga this puts the title text inside the blue gradient header at the top of the window. So nga sa main form panel and sa G panel form panel is nagbutang tag light gray background and padding around the grade back constraint GBC mao na siya ang mag-add og spacing between elements. Then ang mag-make siya components fill horizontally. Then ang levels and text fields G level is mag-input na siya name, then ang full name nimo, then ang imong address, then also ay mohang contact. Then pagkahuman is magbutang dayon og date of birth. Then the input fields is a new Anyo? Name, news, stick spells, and address. Then, pagkahuman is contact na dayon and date of birth. Himo taog date of birth combo boxes. So nga di is show months. So nga di is show ni ang months 1 to 12 and 2 digit format. So they combo mo nang magbutang og they and i-adds niya 0 to 31 ang month. Then at ang month ang they. Then automatically show years 2025 down to 1980. So ang G panel, dub panel is magbutang din siya og background new color. Then pagkahuman is ibutang niya ang year, month, and day. Then puts all 3 combo boxes and 1 kitag adding components to the form. So each row is placed using grid big layout. So example yon GBC grid X. So this means column 0 level. So column 1 is text fields. Then repeats for address, contact DOB. Then adding from panel to the window. Then add form panel border layout center. The form goes in the center of the frame. Og window visible. So mo nang set visible true kay ang main method to run the program. So mo ni siya ang public static void pinakalasan nga code. So nga di is naghimo ni siya og form window when the program is start. So mo na kung ang program mo run na siya. Mo to siya ang pinakalasan nga code. So that's all ma'am, my explanation of my code, the student registration form. And that's all ma'am, and thank you. So amo na din ini ma'am, ako na siyang iparan. So ako ra siyang gi-video ma'am kay kuan sa ma'am dili mo kuan ma'am screen record tong output niya ma'am. Mo akong gi-video ma'am para na i-proof. So karon is kung imo na siyang iparan is magawas din niya on student registration form. So nga na is amo yatong mag-fill up ka ng imong full name, address, then contact number nimo. Then pagkatapos nimo mag-fill up sa imong contact number, then date of birth na dayon ka mamili ka nga kung uno ka na year na tawo and kanos uno na buwan imong birthday, then uno na pizza ang imong birthday. Amo yaon sa student registration form. So pag imo na din siyang matapos na ka ana pag fill up is pwede na imo na din siyang paran. So huwatan lang nato siya, mahuwatan nato nga matapos pag fill up. So pag matapos na kag fill up anang date of birth, imo na din yan i-save. Then pagkatapos ni mag-save, magawas din niya itong imong gi-fill up name, address, and contact, and so on. Then pagkahuman is okay, amo na din yan siya. Then ako asyang gibot nga picture ma'am kay di maka siya maklaro sa video para mas makita nimo ma'am og mas maklaro. Then amo na din yan siya ma'am, and that's all ma'am, and thank you ma'am.